Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2015 December Bronze Contest Problem 1 Fence Painting. Several seasons, so basically, Farmer John paints between the interval x equals a and x equals b, and he tells Bessie paints between x equals c and x equals d, and the two intervals can overlap, and we're trying to figure out the total amount, the total amount of fence that's been painted. So in our input, we have 4, 8, 7, 10, and we can visualize this as a number line. So from 4 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and Bessie paints between this interval, and Farmer John paints between this interval, and so you can see that it overlaps in this area. It overlaps here with 1 unit of fence overlap, and so if you were to so the correct answer is 6 for this test case. So we would start from 4, and we could see, oh yeah, 4. Bessie paints between 4 and 7, or paints between 4 and 8, but so we could say this part is 3, and this part is 3 as well, which equals 6. And so my algorithm is, or my solution is, we would start from the minimum, we would go from 4, we would start from the minimum, so this is A, and this is B, this is C, and this is D, so we would D, and we would start from the minimum between A and C. In this case it's A, which is 4, and then we would go to the maximum between B and D. So then we end up with this number line, and we go through each fence unit, and we get something like this. And so for each fence unit, we check if this unit is equal to either A or C. If it is, we have a Boolean variable is painting, and it starts off as false. And if this is true, and we would have a current ending, and it start off as 0, and this current ending is going to visualize a interval. So the best thing to do is to show you how the algorithm works. So we would start from 4, and we would say, so is painting is false, current ending is false, and our total is equal to 0. Start from 4, we'd say, okay, is 4, now is 4, so our I would be equal to 4 right now. And so is I equal to A, or is it equal, is I equal to A, and is our current ending less than this B? It is. So now we're going to set our current ending to B, and is painting is true. Okay, and now if is painting is true, then we can increment our total gets to 1. And then we move our I to 5. And now we are here. And so then we go to 5, 6, and now we're at 7. Now we are here, and now we are here, and our I is equal to 7. Our total is equal to 1, 2, 3. And our is painting is true. And so now we say, okay, is our I equal to A? No. Is our I equal to C? It is. And our current ending point is less than D. Now we're going to change our current ending to D, and is painting is already true still. Continue counting until we reach 10, and once we reach 10, we don't. Once we reach an endpoint, we don't count it as we don't count it as painted, and we just set is painting to false, and here it's the end of the loop. So here is my code showing that. We import libraries, need this for the thing, and then initialize our reader output variable, and then we have our we read in our input, we have our total, current ending, is painting, and we start from our minimum between A and C, go to our maximum, B and D, and that gets us this number line right here. And then we and then we go through each unit of fence between those 2 points, and then we check if it's equal to A, and our current ending is less than B, and then we have this, and then we print out our top total, and it gets 10 out of 10 test cases.